A next generation wireless power transfer system. In our India, there is a law occurring during the transmission of distribution of electricity power. This is more than 20%, and this is more for India in the range of 27 to 40%. This transmission is first demonstrated by Sir Nikola Tesla in 1890s by electromagnetic induction. As the word itself indicates that it is a transmission of electricity without using interconnecting wires. In this project, we can see that without wires, the bulb glows, and this is our project.
Atmospheric conduction method of Tesla. In this method, Sir Nikola Tesla powered a fluorescent lamp using a closed circuit and a transmitter and an ionized path connecting receiver. Electromagnetic radiation of Tesla. In this method, Sir Nikola Tesla kept that electromagnetic radiations use wireless power transmission use electromagnetic radiations to transfer energy from without wires. Now we can see that when we kept over there is no connection between the bulb and this coil. We can see that when we keep away from the coil, there is no light in the bulb. When we keep near the coil, there is a light in the bulb. This is why, because of electromagnetic radiations between the coil and the light. Between this, when the light is going, magnetic field is occurred and the bulb get the induce of the energy, so it glows. By this, and when we specifically we do not add the negative and plus point to the coil, but we can see the glowing of bulb here. Because of the Tesla coil here, the also electromagnetic radiations are occurred.
Benefits of wireless power transfer system. It reduces the cost of maintaining direct connecting wires, and it is greater convenience for charging of electronic devices, and electronics can be fully enclosed, reducing the risk of collision due to elements such as oxygen and water. Safe power transfer needed to remain hermetically sealed. It delivers reliable power transfer to the mission critical systems in dirty, wet and moving environment.
Applications of wireless power transfer. Applications of these types include electric toothbrush chargers, RFID tags, smart cards, and ingestible medical appliances like cardiac pacemakers.
About this coil. A Tesla coil is a simple coil that creates a high voltage electromagnetic field in the air when a small input is provided. This is strong enough to glow a small CFL bulb. This was first invented by Sir Nikola Tesla, who also holds the credit for inventing induction motors, neon bulb, remote controls, etc.
It contains of a Tesla coil and a neon bulb and some foam pieces which are like stand and a 9 volts battery.
And a small PVC board with a circuit on it and some nuts and bolts and a white color board with for fixing the Tesla coil and secondary copper coil and some connecting pins.
Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself and Danish, he was my friend Vignesh. Here we are presenting our project Automatic Street Lamp. Throughout the night, the automatic street lamp will be there is a lot of waste of electricity. So we did this project. When the surroundings become automatically darker, the light will be on. For example, see, when I am taking my hand closer to this, the light is producing. The primary source of this project was this 9 volt battery.
And this automatic night lamp will be has a specific component to work on this automatic. So it should be has a specific component. So it requires a sensing lightning connection. So this rectangular board has a physical base and these electronic components are connected to this circuit compound.
A battery stores the energy in the form of chemical form, and when the chemical form releases the electrical energy to the circuit. The circuit is assembled to the monitoring board or powered by the 9 volt battery.
The system is utilized on the mounted on it. It is mounted on it, and this was
5 minutes. By this project, we can save the electricity. By this project, we can save the electricity, and we can use this project nearby highways or nearby street lamps to save the electricity.
Good morning, this is S. Kumar from grade 8 and he is my friend Sri Abhishek. We are here to explain about hydropower electrical power plant. Hydroelectric current. It is also called hydropower. It is electricity produced by the generators like turbines which converts the potential energy into mechanical energy. In this generation of hydroelectric, the water is collected at high elevation and led downward through pipes. The difference between two elevations is called the head. By the end of this passage, when water falls on the turbines, it rotates and turns the mechanical energy into electricity.
One rotation pillars for one base and another base for 2 bases. For one pillar, we should connect the rotated turbine and down after we should connect motor. This motor wires are connected to the another pillar which is connected to the LED light. Black wire is connected to the negative, red wire is connected to the positive. So when we start rotating this, the turbine, rotated turbine's belt is connected to the motor. So that's why when we rotate the rotated turbine, the motor rotates and the current passes through the wire and LED light glows. This process is used in Srisaila. When the water starts flowing, mechanical energy is converted into electricity by the light bulb. This process is used in Srisaila to save the current and to produce the current. Thank you.
on one side, on one LDR, it moves towards that side.
Thank you. Good evening, everybody. Myself, Arvi, and he is my friend Karthik. This is our project. Our project is about a motor. A motor is a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. It is mainly composed of a starter and a rotor. The working principle of this is that magnetic field when the magnetic field acts on the current it makes the coil wire rotate.
Bills of material. 2 magnets, one battery, 2 batteries, 1 sheep panels, 150 centimeters copper wire. What?
What is the primary role of 2 batteries in this experiment? To produce electricity to the coil. Explanation. When the battery
The Lorentz force F equals to B equals to magnetic field, I equals to current, and L equals to length of the wire. Explanation. This force acts charge carriers onto the wires. This acts Arish, what are the 2 main functions of the loops on the top supports?
The main support of these loops are they act as a mechanical bearings and electrical supporters. Explanation. This supports the wire to spin and at the same time
converted into mechanical energy. Explanation. This device consumes stored chemical energy and it converts electrical energy to produce physical rotation. This is how things work.